Hey there, welcome to ApnaCube and get ready for excited content on Git and GitHub. So don't forget to subscribe for weekly updates. And I am Rohan, so let's start this interesting video. So friends, today we will talk about what is Git and GitHub. So GitHub is a web-based platform for version control using Git. It is basically allow developers to collaborate on a project, track changes to code, manage workflow, and host code repositories. It's widely used in the software development community for open source and private projects alike. So now let's talk about what is Git. The Git is a distribution version control system that allows the developers to track changes in their code over time. So now let's understand Git with step by step. So the first one is starting the project. Initialize Git. You can start by a Git, this magical notebook Git, and open it up. It is like initialize a Git repository. So the second one is story building. So the second one is writing the story, ending and editing files. It is like each time you and your classmate write something new in the story, you jot it down in the notebook. This is similar to editing and the file in the Git repository. So the third one is saving changes and community changes. So it is like when you finish writing a section of the story or make a certificate change, you decide to save it in the notebook. This is like community changing in Git. So the next one is reviewing previous version, view history. This one is like if you want to see what the story look at the public specific point at the time, and you can flip back through the notebook to find that version. This is similar to viewing the commit history in Git. So the last one is collaborating, batching and merging. It is like sometimes you want and your classmate may be depressed and how the story should be go. So you create a copy to the notebook, write your own version, and you decide which version to keep. This is like branching and merging in Git. So friends, now let's understand how you can open an account in your GitHub. It is very simple process to open a GitHub account in your system. So first one, you have to open your system and go to the GitHub's website. Open your web browser and go to the GitHub website, which is www.github.com. Second one is sign up page. Once you are in the GitHub homepage, you will see a big screen button that says sign up for GitHub. Click on it. And the next one is enter your information. You will taken to be a sign up page where you will also have to enter some basic information. And the next one is verify your email. After entering your information, GitHub will be send you an email verification on your email address. You should have to simply check your email box and click on the verification link provided by GitHub. And the last one is complete sign up. Once you are providing information address, you will taking the back GitHub's website and your account will be created. And from now on you can start sharing GitHubs and collaborate your project, share code and more. That's all. You are now ready to explore GitHub and all it. Friends, now let's talk about some advantage of GitHub. So let's understand some advantage of GitHub by steps. So the first one is version control. It is a GitHub is provide powerful version control capable thoughts. Git allows and developers to track changing to their code and collaborate for efficiently. Second one is collaboration. Collaboration is the facilities to collaborate among the developers by providing tools for the code version and the issue tracks and projects management. The third one is community and open source. GitHub hosts millions of open source projects, making a rights and community to the developers and learn, share and collaborate with the projects across version domains. Next one is portfolio and showcase. Developers can be use GitHub and showcase their projects on collaboration, and which is the serve as a portfolio to the potential employees and collaborators. So the next one is documentation and wiki. The GitHub provide features like wikis and projects documentation, making it easy to terms and the documents share capabilities and share knowledge among members. Okay friends, now let's talk about what is disadvantage of GitHub. So the first one is learning curve. The Git and GitHub a bit of learning curve, especially for beginners who are new in the version control system. Understanding the concept like batching, merging and the port of the request maybe take some time. Next one is dependency on internet. So the GitHub is an online platform, so it required an internet connection to access repositories and collaborate with the others. Next one is security concur. So the while GitHub has a security features like place and such as HTTPS and two-factor authentication, there can be a cure of about the security and the sensitive code of the data storage on the platforms. So the next one is ownership and licensing. So when the contributing to the open source projects on the GitHub, developers need to be aware on the project alliancing and the team and the application contributing their code. So the next one is reliance on a single platform. Having on GitHub for hosting code repositories can be pose risk in the platform experience and downtime of Now let's understand what is Git. Git is a version control system that helps developers to track change to their code. It's basically work locally on your computer and allow you to manage your projects, history, create branches, managing change and more. Think of Git as a tool of software that you will install on your computer to manage your code, history and changes. But what is GitHub? So the GitHub is a platform to build on a top of the Git that provides a centralized location for hosting and sharing Git repositories online. It allows to developers to share their Git repositories and in the code, making it easier to collaborate with the others, cracks issues, managing projects. Okay friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. Be safe and do great.